Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Page. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to log into your Nevada Medicaid account on medicaid.nv.gov. Whether you're checking your benefits, submitting claims, or managing your account information, this tutorial will help you log in securely and easily. Let's get started. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter mdp.medicaid.nv.gov into the address bar to access the website. I added this website link in the description field. You can click from there. In the website that opens, type your username here. Type your password here and click on the Login button. If you don't remember your password, click here. And that's it. Logging into your Nevada Medicaid account is quick and secure. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Login Page for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video and take care of your health.